Hey, what's up everybody? This is Osama here. In this video, I'm going to show you how can you manage your appointments better in GoHighLevel using the customization and smart list options inside of appointments. All right, so I'm under calendars and appointments in my GoHighLevel sub account. And the first thing you'll notice is that in this interface, we have some three quick actions here. So we have the upcoming appointments, then we have canceled appointments, and then you also have an option to explore all appointments. So these are some quick actions or quick tabs that can help you navigate through your appointments based on their status. And then we have some more options like advanced filters and sorting. So if you apply these, we can also create a smart list, as you can see that option here, right? So before we do that, there's one more thing you can add for better visibility. So if you want to add some more columns here, you can click on manage columns, and then you can also add fields like created by and date added. So click on apply, and then you will be able to see these fields here as well, right? And once you make any changes to the default view, you will be able to see a save option here. So if you click on that, you will be able to save it as a smart list, right? So before we go ahead and save it, there's a couple of more options that we can explore. So the first one is advanced filters. So you can apply filters to create a smart list. So if I go here, you have a bunch of options here. So you can filter these by calendar, user, we have status, date added, all of that stuff. So let's say I want to categorize them based on the calendar. So I'm going to choose the calendar here. Let's say I want to choose the follow-up appointment. So I'll do that. And then I can add another filter using the and I'll say date added is in the last, let's say 7 days. So if I click on apply, it will only show me those appointments, and then I can also sort them by the date added and do ascending here. Click on apply. So now this gives us a list of appointments that were added in the last 7 days for the follow-up appointments calendar. And we've also applied sorting here, and we can also see some more columns which we accessed using the manage columns, right? So this is how it will work. Now all we have to do is click on save here. We'll click on save as smart list, and now I can call it follow up last 7 days, something along those lines, and I'll click on save as new. And as soon as we do that, we'll start seeing the smart list here. So now you can better track your appointments using these smart lists. If you need to make any changes, you can easily do that. Let's say you want to do last 14 days. So if I click on apply here, you will start seeing the save option again, and then you can either save it in the same smart list or you can save it as a new one, right? And if you want to delete a smart list, it's very easy. Just make sure that you have that selected here, and then you'll head over to customize list, and then you can click on delete list, confirm the deletion, and it will go away. So this was how easy it is to navigate your appointments better using the smart list and GoHighLevel. Again, using this feature will really help you manage everything better and save your team a ton of time. That was about this video. This is Osama signing off. I'll see you in the next one.